We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 theory book, and we are going to play Young Hunter Improv. Now remember, improvise means to create on the spot. So you're going to improvise Young Hunter music by doing the following. First, listen to me play the accompaniment. Say legato or staccato as you hear the music change. And then when you're ready, use these 5 white keys in any order. You're going to play A, B, C, D, or E. Any order you want. And when the teacher part is staccato, you play staccato. And when the teacher part is legato, you play legato. Okay, so here we go. I am going to play my part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which part was legato and which part was staccato? Have fun with this one. Just back the video up and play your part as many times as you want and see how many different melodies you can come up with.